Torta mo. Abot na. Torta mo sa van. Hallo guys! Herzlich willkommen in mijn van tour. Kommen Sie rein. So, ik zeige euch, was is here. What's in here, okay? So, this is like complete. This is just like a small Wohnung. Alles komplett mit Küche. Guck mal hier. This is the stove, and then this is the sink for washing. Yeah, this is our. We have used the Strom. Yeah, Gas auch. Ja, gut. Das ist richtig. Ja, und wir haben auch hier Kühlschrank. Kühlschrank, guck mal. Kein Kühlschrank. Wir benutzen auch Strom und Gas für diese. Richtig? Ja. Und es gibt noch, oder? Ah, da. Und Schränke ist auch hier für was? Für alles. Guck mal, tea for this. There's tea here. Bienenhonig. Coffee. Alles hier rein. Und
And now we see Bethany how she's tidying up the camper van.
no, it's not me.
And she didn't put the plates in properly.
Oh my God. Ja, alles hier komplett. Und ich habe
Alles kaputt
alles
gemacht.
kaputt gemacht. You can see here the plates, Becher, alles. Yeah, and here the Besteck, Messer, alles auch drin. Und das ist Wasser für Trinken. Alles.
Wofür
Sauber.
ist das?
Ha?
Wofür ist das?
Für Unterschutz.
Damit das nicht wegrutscht.
Ja. Mhm. Und Esstisch hier. Du kannst auch hier vielleicht schlafen. Und this one also, you can turn it around and then you can face when you have your dinner, lunch, Mittagessen, you can face here. This one as well or no?
Yeah, both.
Both. Okay. Yeah, like that. And then when we go somewhere, then go back to normal, like that. But I don't know how. Und Schränke. Und dann alles kaputt.
Ja.
Oh my God. Yeah. We put everything here for eating foods. spaghetti, apple, rice, everything here where we can cook. And then this one, what's in here? Besha. Yeah, kitchen utensils, everything here. And then in this area, Schlafzimmer, bed, our things. You can put all your things here, clothes, everything, towels. I will just not show you what's in here because it's private. Area, this small cabinet here, it's not the unusual one because there's something inside. Look what's inside. Ta-da! I spy right here. Ta-da! It's heavy. You can watch television while you're eating or while someone's driving and you get bored, and you can watch it from here. And then while sleeping, you can also watch this one. Just turn it around, ta-da! And very gemütlich. See? So that's it. And then near the bed is shrunk up and down. This is also for Kleiderschrank, small Kleiderschrank, and here for Chichi Borichi, and here Keller for everything. You can put everything here. There's also space under the bed. And this area, you can, this is curtains for while you're sleeping, and then someone is, if ever you have visitor, you can just easily close this one. And that's it. That's the bed. And here is the toilet or douche. You can also shower here, make caca. And then yeah, small sink, and then shower. Let me show you the shower, that one. And here mirror, also in this one, a shrunk cabinet for toiletries or something. And then this is the bowl, factor, open. And then to flush, you can just put it down and it's open, and then can drop this knop, this blue one, and then it will flush. That's it. Wie zu Hause. Yeah, small sink, shower. Yeah, that's it. And there's a small window to take all the amoy when you take caca. And what else? Yeah, that's it. Small but terrible. There's also something here for storage, something you can put something. And you can turn it around. Yeah, look, we have special lights over here. That one, and then I don't know. I'm scared. And here, make it back, and see, it's very hell. And this one, this at the moment it's open, so you can just close it if it's already cold. Back down. Yeah. And was noch? And there's still light here at the top of the bed. Bam. See? very, very luxus. Nein, it's not luxus. Ah, yeah. This one, you have to, during the night, you have to put close the window because someone from outside will can see you. So you have to just be. Like that. Yeah, that's close. And then when you open it, yeah, that's it. And then yeah, another window here, and yeah, that's it. And what's in here? That's the strom. That's the electric. I don't know how to. This is for the water, I think, and then this is for the battery. Maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, and this is also for the lights. Lights on, lights off. And for the keys, here for Chichiburichi out. And fertig. That's all. Very nice. This is nicer than my Wohnung. So that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye. Tschüss.